Hi everyone, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes. And here we are looking at the ionospheric charging maps, or TC rate of change maps that we always look at for E.M.Ps. And we did see some consecutive charging here on June the 8th at the usual time of these charging intervals, 0100 universal time. And I did warn to watch Guatemala, and this is a prime example of how we have to look at the effects of accumulative charging, because then on 12th again we had the red and the white, which is very high charge. Red is very high, white is extreme charging right off the scale. So when you see this happening, you really got to start paying attention, because on June the 14th, the largest earthquake we've had in quite some time, magnitude 6.9 at 7:29 universal time. And then jumping to the gamma rays, you can see a huge spike there just before the 14th. Multiple huge spikes here on the other channel. This is China's neutron monitor showing gamma ray or neutron spikes, which I call dielectric discharges. And so three big ones here, one starting just before 1100, and another one at about 1300, and then another huge one there at about just before 1800. And looking at the auroral electrojet index in Japan, jump to the 13th here. You can see it around the time of those gamma ray spikes or discharges that we definitely had nothing major, but remember, in my view, the sun acts as a transformer in the galactic and solar circuits, or a floodgate to let all that electrical energy into Earth's system. And if you look at Tucson's magnetometer, one of the closest magnetometers to the earthquake, you can see at the time of the gamma rays or the discharges and the electrojet started letting the energy pour in around there, and you can see the magnetic disturbance here measured at ground level. And then also, this is the last major precursor here, just before, less than a minute before we go into June the 14th. And then back on the electrojet, we didn't get much solar activity. Earthquake was at about 7:30 universal time, so you just have this slight nudge here. That was a little, the last little boost from the sun there. And then you can see that's all it took to cause the magnetic disturbance there just after 0600, and then about 7:30 universal time, boom, we had the earthquake. So like I've showed in previous videos, you almost always have multiple big E.M.Ps before you get a big earthquake, and that's the almost magnitude 7. That's the biggest one we had in quite some time. Anyways, this is E.M.P, Electromagnetic Precursors for Earthquakes, signing off. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.